Welcome back. The goal of this course is to get you to level up from an already awesome developer to an even awesomer design-minded developer.
Exactly. So let's start by reviewing what you learned in Lesson 1. The first thing we learned in Lesson 1 was we defined UX and disambiguated it from UI. Then we gave you an awesome visceral example of great user experience.
I love that visceral example.
And we also used two examples of a sign-in form and a checkout form to illustrate why it's bad to start with detail-first thinking. It basically causes you to only optimize locally.
Yeah, exactly. You end up creating some really awesome forms, but the overall application might suffer. And if you zoom out, you actually get an idea of what the application should do, and then you might decide you don't even need those forms.
Exactly. And then we also learned a technique called low-res wireframing, which helps you think about your application as a series of steps that your user needs to go through to accomplish a certain task. So now that we know that we're supposed to think in this way, where do we go from here? What do we do next? So in Lesson 1, we were really focusing on the smartphone. But now we're going to start focusing on the person. So we need to ask ourselves, who is our end user, or who are we making this application for?
So Isabel, how do we focus on the user?
And that's a great question. And the answers all lie ahead in Lesson 2, where we're going to talk all about how to design for our end user. Before we get started, let's go over a quick overview of what you're going to learn in Lesson 2. We're going to discuss two things. The first is how to design applications for a specific type of user, or a persona, and their use cases. The second thing is how to build a feature list that's tailored for your persona and your use case to make sure that your application will really delight your user.
Sounds great, Isabel. Let's get started.